Hi, I'm Kendra Courson with the College of ACES. This is my niece, Hope Kietzman.
Hi, I'm Hope Kietzman and I'm really excited to be here. Both of my aunts graduated from the College of ACES, and my other aunt, Annie Easterday, is a caterer and I love to cook just like her. And today we're going to make a delicious summer dessert without having to use this oven or the stove. The ingredients we are using today are 2% milk, but you can use any kind of milk, and then you'll need some pudding mix. We're using French vanilla, but you can use sugar-free or any flavor just like this one, which is chocolate fudge sugar-free, and then Cool Whip, which you can do sugar-free or you can use regular, and you can also use fat-free in any of these if you'd like. Kendra is going to be my assistant, and I'm a 6th grader at St. Mary's. And so first we're going to add the 2% milk, and we're going to add 2 cups of fat.
Okay.
And then we have to add our Jell-O, and then we're going to blend it with the hand mixer.
Of course, we washed our hands.
So for this dessert, you can use many different types of cups depending on your occasion. So we're going to try many different ones, and then you can do different sprinkles. So we're going to do blue and orange for our school colors, and then if you want to be nutritious, you can use different kinds of nuts, and then you can do, like, for different occasions or parties, you could do very bright and colorful sprinkles, and then you can use silver beads. And then you can also use graham crackers. As you can see, I've already filled most of the cups with pudding, so now we're going to do the last one. You want it almost to the top, but you want to save a little space for your toppings. So now me and Kendra are going to decorate them. So I'm going to use the blue and orange sprinkles for a line.
Ooh, that looks good.
And then for my last topping on this one, I'm adding graham crackers.
Beautiful.
So this is one of the ones we're doing.
We hope you've enjoyed our virtual cooking class as an amateurs, and we hope that we will see you next summer at ACES Family Academies.
Go Illini!
Go Illini!